Are you looking to start a vegetarian keto diet? A vegetarian keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb eating pattern that eliminates meat and fish. The ketogenic or keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that has become especially popular in recent years. Although it usually contains animal products like meat, fish, and poultry, it's possible to adapt it to fit a vegetarian diet. What is a vegetarian keto diet? A vegetarian keto diet is an eating plan that combines aspects of vegetarianism and keto dieting. Most vegetarians eat animal products like eggs and dairy, but avoid meat and fish. The ketogenic diet is a high-fat diet that limits carb intake to 20 to 50 grams per day. This ultra-low-carb intake prompts ketosis, a metabolic state in which your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. On a traditional ketogenic diet, around 70% of your total daily calories should come from fat, including sources like oils, meat, fish, and full-fat dairy. However, the vegetarian keto diet eliminates meat and fish, relying instead on other healthy fats, such as coconut oil, eggs, avocados, nuts, and seeds. Health benefits of a vegetarian keto diet. Although no studies examine the specific benefits of the vegetarian keto diet, plenty of research exists on the two diets. Can promote weight loss. Both vegetarian and ketogenic diets are associated with weight loss. This diet's high amount of healthy fats may also keep you feeling fuller for longer to reduce hunger and appetite. Vegetarian diets have been linked to a reduced risk of several chronic conditions. In fact, studies tie them to a lower risk of cancer and improved levels of several heart disease risk factors, including BMI, cholesterol, and blood pressure. The keto diet has also been studied for its effects on disease prevention. Vegetarian and keto diets may each support blood sugar control. Meanwhile, the keto diet may improve your body's blood sugar regulation and increase its sensitivity to insulin, a hormone involved in blood sugar control. Summary: both vegetarian and keto diets have been shown to increase weight loss, support blood sugar control, and protect against several chronic illnesses. Keep in mind that no studies examine the vegetarian keto diet specifically. Because the vegetarian keto diet is highly restrictive, it may not be a good option for everyone. In particular, children and women who are pregnant or breastfeeding should avoid it, as it can limit several nutrients vital for proper growth and development. It may also not be appropriate for athletes, those with a history of eating disorders, or people with type 1 diabetes. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications, talk to your healthcare practitioner before starting this diet. What foods should you eat on a vegetarian keto diet? A healthy vegetarian keto diet should include a variety of non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and protein sources such as non-starchy vegetables: spinach, broccoli, mushrooms, kale, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. Healthy fats: olive oil, coconut oil, avocados, MCT oil, and avocado oil. Nuts: almonds, walnuts, cashews, macadamia nuts, pistachios, and Brazil nuts. Seeds: chia, hemp, flax, and pumpkin seeds. Nut butters: almond, peanut, pecan, and hazelnut butter. Full fat dairy products: milk, yogurt, and cheese. Protein: eggs, tofu, tempeh, spirulina, natto, and nutritional yeast. Low carb fruits, in moderation: berries, lemons, and limes. Herbs and seasonings: basil, paprika, pepper, turmeric, salt, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. A vegetarian keto diet may cause short-term side effects, lack important nutrients, and be unsuitable for kids and pregnant or breastfeeding women. Consult with your doctor prior to starting any restrictive or new diet. Get access to your custom personalized keto diet today. Just click the link below in the description.